I've come back home and I've processed most of these flowers here. Some of them are still in wraps because I am going to start flowering with them today. So I'm just going to remove the wrap as I go. But I have some pretty beautiful varieties, I have to say. Look at this spirea. It is absolutely stunning. This is flowered spirea. And then these over here are the branches. I have some garden roses here, some Yuki and some Juliet garden roses. I also have some carnations, 2 different varieties of stock, 2 different varieties of sweet peas. I have lisianthus in white and like a pink peach color, some freesia, some astrangia, some ranunculus, hellebores, lilac, butterfly ranunculus, tulips. I also have a little bit more flowers over here. I have a bit of pink lilac tone wax flower as well as white wax flower, some foliages over here, and some roses also hydrating over here. Okay, so this is the prepped vase that I'm gonna be working on. It has a paper mache liner on it with some chicken wire. It's gonna make teardown really easy too, because essentially I'm only picking up the vases, not the entire floral. So it's gonna be easy peasy to pack. I am gonna be designing with all of these white blooms here. And then I'm gonna move on to the colorful designs after. All right, so this is her. She's all done up, ready to go. I'm about to photograph her, but she's definitely really full and I love her shape. I think she's gonna look really good on the long tables. These are gonna be 2 little cocktail table florals. And I will be making some similar to these for the long tables to go next to the centerpiece. This is what the car is looking like right now. I didn't rent a van for this event because it is a very intimate event, so I decided to not rent a van and I played Tetris with the back seat and the trunk of my car, and it's working out just fine. I am heading out to the flower market right now because I need 1 bunch of blue delphinium to include into the colorful centerpiece that I am providing. I think it's gonna look really pretty in there, considering that the napkins have blue touches in them. So I kind of just want it to be like super cohesive and kind of just flow really well. So I am heading over to the flower market to pick that up, and then I'm heading over to the venue. you.